So I just picked up this timing belt kit, timing belt component kit from rockauto.com. It is an AISIN kit for a J Series Honda Acura V6. It's actually going on to a Honda Pilot, but I just want to show you guys what's all involved, what's inside of it, what kind of components, if it's a coil bearing, a GMB bearing, or the case may be. So AISIN, hopefully I'm saying that right. I've heard different pronunciations of AISIN, but it's TKH002 water pump timing belt, TBK instruction card, hydraulic tensioner 1, tensioner bearing 1, idler bearing 1. So let's take a look. Just got this a couple days and haven't been able to open it up yet. Detailed instructions. If you guys want, leave a comment below and I'll actually scan this and put it up there for you guys. It also works for a Saturn VUE 3.5 liter V6 2004 to 2007. Like the packaging, like how this looks. Here's a timing belt. Made in Thailand. Mitsubishi. I can never say this. I want to say Mitsubishi, but it's not. Mitsubishi. MITSUBOSHI. MICKEY MOUSE. There's a timing belt. Here's going to be our beautiful water pump. That's what I like to see right there. Marking of AISIN. Nice smooth clean action. NSK. O-ring is already installed. Oh, that's nice. What is that stuff right there? They use some kind of sealant on there to keep it in place. You can see there's some kind of residue. It doesn't smell like anything. It's got water pump. Got our tensioner. Hydraulic tensioner. Coil bearings, not GMB. Here's our tensioner idler pulley. Right there. Koyo. K-O-Y-O. Very nice. So there's a sleeve. In here there's a sleeve. It goes in from the backside. But that sleeve, I always like to put a little bit of grease on the sleeve itself. Just to give it, a little bit more, I don't want to say slippage. Just helps it move a little bit easier. This thing doesn't move a whole lot, but I always put grease in there. Just a little bit. KOYO. It's always a good idea to spin these. Make sure you don't hear anything. It's good. Then a little tag to put on your, I like to put these on the core support, near the engine or the door frame as well, just so somebody can see it. Know that the timing belt was changed out. So there you go, guys. I think it was about 200 bucks for this kit. AISIN is original equipment for Honda Acura, and I just want to show you what it's all about. If you found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.